Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to learn scanning hard disk. How we will scan hard disk that is present in our computer system. You need to keep your storage devices such as hard disk clean without any viruses. For doing this, the hard disk should be regularly scanned to detect and fix harmful threats. For this, you need to have antivirus software installed on your computer system. So here I am going to describe in a step-by-step manner how you will check your hard disk. So step 1 is click My Computer. Open My Computer. This window will get visible to you. You can directly click My Computer by double clicking on the shortcut icon present in the desktop or by going to the Windows icon, Windows menu bar present in the icon tray. Select the disk that you want to check. You can see here in My Computer system, hard disk has been partitioned in 4 parts. So I will select this disk softwares. So what you have to do for selecting this software drive F, you just right click on this drive, go to properties. Okay, again I am showing you, right click the drive you want to scan and then go to properties. A pop-up dialog box will get appear in front of you. Now select tools. Okay, in this dialog box you have to go in tools tab. So here in tools tab, the first option is, this option will check the drive for errors. Okay, so this option will check the drive for errors. You can click on check disk, okay, or check now. So these two you can check, these two boxes you can mark as checked, or you can make the second one unchecked. And then if you click, when you click on start, what will happen? It will automatically check your drive you have selected for virus scan. Okay, so this is one method how you are checking your drive. Another way to check your drive whether the drive is containing virus or not is to right click on the drive you want to check or scan. You must have an antivirus software installed in your computer. Here in My Computer you can see Avast antivirus is installed. So you just click on this, scan selected items for viruses. You just click on this, give some time for scanning. Now here you can see Avast antivirus is scanning from Windows Explorer is running. Okay, so this Avast antivirus is scanning drive D. 38% has completed. Let it be to 100%. Okay, scan from Windows Explorer has finished, no virus found. In my drive F there is no virus found. So it has shown its result. If you want to go in details, click on details. Here you can see my IP address is visible, so it can be resolved. Here you can see no malware found, good for you, done, click on done. So here you will get a lot of option in the antivirus. Okay, so let's move in our topic. So this is how we are scanning our drive, hard disk and the hard disk partition to protect our computer system from any kind of malware or virus. Thank you students. Have a good day.